Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can delete your Facebook posts with just one click. First off, you need to click on your profile picture, which is located on the top left corner. As you've done that, now you need to click on these three dots over here. Now this window pops up and you need to locate activity log. Click the activity log. As you can see, you have multiple types of information here. You need to click your activity across Facebook section. This section will show every activity you've done on Facebook. For the sake of this tutorial, you need to open Posts section. Now open your posts, check-ins, pictures and video. As you can see, this section will list you every post, check-in, pictures and video on Facebook. Now you need to click on Select All. This option will select everything you've posted on Facebook. You have two options now. Option number 1 is to archive every post on Facebook. Option 2 is actually deleting every post on Facebook. And this is how you can delete every post on Facebook with just one click. I hope this tutorial will help you, and see you soon.